show you how to get into advanced settings in the settings app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in general. This is where it opens up. From here we just click on battery, and here at the bottom we find options. We click on this, and then we will have the advanced settings available. For example, slightly dim the display on battery, prevent automatic sleeping on power adapter when the display is off, and the kind. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.